So today we start a new course, C programming language. This course is very much helpful those who are appearing BTech or BE exam or other competitive exam. So introduction to C. Today we will cover what is C, where C stands, history of C language and why C language is so important. First, what is C? C seems so popular is because it is reliable, simple and easy to use. C is a programming language developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in the year 1972. Where C stands. All the programming language can be divided into two categories. First is high-level language. It is problem-oriented. In the characteristic of these languages are better programming efficiency, faster programming development. The example of this language are Fortran, Basic, Pascal. And second category is machine-oriented language. It is low-level language. Here, the characteristic of these languages are it is better machine efficiency and it has faster program execution. Example of this language are assembly language and machine language. But C stands in between these two categories. That is why C is often called middle level language. So C is called middle level language because it is in between these two categories. It have good programming efficiency, also good machine efficiency. Historical development of C. In 1960, computer languages had come into existence. Then all languages are made for a specific purpose. That is, COBOL is used for commercial purpose, Fortran is used for engineering and scientific application, and so on. At this stage, people started thinking that instead of learning and using so many languages, each for different purpose, why not use only one language which can program all possible application? Then a new language called CPL, Combined Programming Language, was developed. But CPL has so many features that it was hard to learn and difficult to implement. Martin Richards first developed BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, in the year 1966. But BCPL also too less powerful and too specific. Around the same time, Ken Thompson developed B language at AT&T's Bell Lab. It is the further simplification of combined programming language in the year 1969. But like BCPL, B too turned out to be very specific. Ken Thompson is also the developer of Unix operating system. In fact, C language is developed for developing Unix operating system. Finally, Dennis Ritchie is the developer of C language. He developed C language in the year 1972 at AT&T's Bell Lab, USA. He is the co-worker of Ken Thompson. Ritchie inherited the features of B and BCPL and also added some of his own and developed C language. He is the co-developer of Unix operating system. Why C language is so important? C language is very popular among programmers for its unique features and capabilities. Let's first have a look to its fame. C language is ranked 1 on the basis of usage of language in the programming present time. Oracle is written in C. Oracle is a very popular database software. It is written in C. Core libraries of Android are written in C. Android is an operating system for mobile device such as smartphone and tablet computer. We all have Android phone. So core libraries of Android are written in C. Almost every device driver is written in C. Device driver is a computer program that controls a particular device that is connected to your computer. For example, keyboard, printer, scanner, digital cameras, and other external devices. Each of these need a driver in order to work properly. And the program for device driver, the software is written in C. Major part of web browser is written in C. Web browser means it is an application used to access and view website. We already used web browser in many times like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. The major part of this web browser is written in C. Unix operating system is developed in C. In fact, C develops for developing Unix operating system. Unix operating system is a multitasking and multi-user computer operating system. MySQL is written in C. MySQL is a relational database management system based on SQL, structured query language. This MySQL is also written in C. Why C language is important for students? First, C is an important to build programming skill. For building your own programming skill, for developing logic, for writing program by your own, C is very important to build programming skill. C covers all basic features of all programming languages. Means what? C covers some basic features means for loop, while loop, do while loop, functions, arrays, structures, string, pointers, etc. Everything. It is common for almost all programming language. So C covers all basic features. So C is very important for student for learning these basic features, and this may be helpful in future for learning other languages. C is the most popular language for hardware dependent programming, means for developing device driver software, etc. C is very popular. And finally, C is very important for your campus recruitment process. C takes major role for campus recruitment process. So this is your homework. Pick the correct alternative and answer me in the comment section. I am waiting for your reply. For getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.